vacant land. That's a lot of country. And if I